So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are gonna see how to create a YouTube Shorts very fast and very easy way. So at first we are gonna go to the Google and search for Invideo. So as you can see, we have got the Invideo.io is an online video editor. So just go to the link. So as you can see, I have already got the account. So if you want to so guys, if you want to use Invideo.io, so you can go and purchase the subscription, because you can't use it as a free. You have to take subscription for that. So as we can come here in the Invideo, and I have already have an account. So at first we're gonna go to the create new and go to the editor and go for portrait, because we're gonna create a short video in very fast way. So let's see. So as you can see, we have our portrait 9.16, and there are very media file. There are default some media file in here. So if you go to the videos, so you can see there are much of premium and high stock videos. So you can drag them, and you can add as many video as you can. So you can say you can see it's a pretty good version of Invideo. You can create any of the shorts video easily. So if you like, if you want to add some funny videos like children, so you can add them just go for play. So as you can see, so you can create many shorts video as you can. So today we are gonna create a different types of shorts. So as you can see, there is a sky, and there is a background, there is a galaxy type background. So if you want to create something special, suppose I have to get something, I have to adjust it and just place it. Let's see how it's looking. So if you want to create a long type of shorts videos, so then I suggest you just go to Google and search for galaxy facts. So here you can see some galaxy facts. So I'm going to go to the first link. So I want to add some names in there. Some galaxies are similar to the Milky Way, but some are quite different. So you can see there are many type of galaxies. Okay, I'm gonna need something very simple facts. So while some of the galaxies we see galaxies can also be flat. Okay. So I like this one. Okay. Some of the galaxies very big. Galaxies come in relationships too. Okay, I don't like from here. So let's get an interesting fact about near distance galaxy. So I'm gonna need some text. Okay, I like this one. There are over 107 70 billion galaxies in the observable universe. So I'm gonna text, I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna add a text. So just go to text, add a heading. So here you go. So now I have to place it here. Okay, now now I'm just I want the font size. So there are over 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. So as you can see, my text matches the background, so this will come like this. So I'm gonna make the text some big. So let's see how it's look. There are over 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. So this is overall our short and very fast shots. So if you want, so you can drag that from here. So this is too much long. I'm gonna make this 20. So I will upload this short later on my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Please help me to make something big. So we have the text, we have the background. So I need a music. I need a simple music. So if you go to the music, I already check all of the music. They are all like hip hops, rocking type music. So I need something ambitious type, something. Let's listen. Yeah, this is almost good. Okay, planet. Okay. This one's kindly related to our shorts. Okay, I need something. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, this thing. Okay, so just press the add. So guys, I have already got the music, as you can see. So I want the music just as mine. So the video is longer than the video. So I need the music just like that. Okay. So let's see what we have done in just a few minutes. Alright, it's quite look good. There are over 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. This is quite good. So if you want to add some more, so you can just copy and just paste. Okay, not like that. I'm gonna make this a little bit more to 26 to 30. Yes, so this will come. So now I have one graph like galaxies are historically categorized by convergence between 100 in diameter. Okay, galaxies have long. I need something very small and attractive. The world galaxy is diverse. The game world galaxies. Okay, this one is good. A galaxy is a massive planetary system which is common with stars like the Sun, stellar, interstellar, which is comprised of stars like this one. Okay, I like this one. So just if I come to here, and now I have to get another text. Okay, I have to change the color. Okay. Why it is not coming here? Why is that? So I'm going to make this as before. I have to make the text larger. There is massive and gravitational bound system which is compromise of stars like the sun. Okay, this one I have to make this image. Okay, that's too much. Okay, this one looks good, but I need 44. The galaxy is a massive and gravitational bound system. You can make this a little bit smaller, which is comprised like stars like the sun. So here you go. You can add if you want to increase your duration of the shots. So you can add the galaxy is a massive and gravitational bound system which is comprised. So so far we have created at least one shots. So as you can see, so let's play it from the beginning. So let's see how it's looking. There are over 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Okay, then I have to get the music larger. I think this text size is pretty much bigger. Okay, this one looks better. So let's see. So we have almost created a shot. So let's at last, if you want to change the length, so you can change from here. So I think all I have created is great. So I have to just export it. So just go to the export and just select your size. So I have to go for 180 and then export. So as you can see, it's exporting. So here we go. We have our design ready. So let's see, it's rendering. As you can see, it's almost 5%. So guys, if you new in my channel, so please subscribe and like my videos. So if you check my plan and design videos, so you can check. I have almost uploaded some of the videos about Wordpress. So if you want to learn graphic design, if you want to learn Wordpress, so you can find all type of videos in this channel. So guys, please subscribe to this channel. So it will take some time. So we're gonna wait and we're gonna see some of when you have come to the Invideos in the dashboard, so you can see how others people are making their products. There are lots of lots of templates in Invideo, so you can use Invideo to create. So as you can see, I have the downloading is almost started. So let's see what we have made. Oh, it's okay. There are over 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. So guys, you can create this type of YouTube shorts from Invideo. So I suggest you to go for Invideo. You can create 100 and you can create much more YouTube shorts, because if you know, YouTube shorts is quite doing very good in YouTube. So guys, that's it for today. If you want to create this type of shorts video, I will upload this video in my channel after I edit this video. So guys, please, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you so much.